This is what I do.
Do you want money?
The next question is: who wants to work for money?
Well, that's one way to earn money. By getting employed. If you are curious about working legally in Denmark, you are expected to receive a payslip, where you can see the details about your work pay or your salary. Yes, your payslip is automatically computer-generated and is also automatically integrated to concerned government agencies that will have their share of your hard-earned money. It could be taxes, pension, or private or individual payments from your workplace. In short, it is your responsibility to read and understand your salary and your payslip. Make sure you are receiving salary emails from your electronic box. So, how does a salary payslip look like in Denmark? Payslip presentation vary from employer to another. There can be simple payslip to read, and some are complicated.
Allow us to show you one payslip and its contents. This is just a simple example and for educational purposes only. Generally, the heading is comprised of the employer's information. Next to the heading is all about employees' information. And the rest is all about the details of the salary pay. Disclaimer: this presentation is to introduce the Danish terms from a payslip only. If you have other inquiries concerning salaries or taxes, we recommend you consult a Danish professional accountant.
What is usually found on the heading of a slip? Usually, it's the company or employer's logo. It is followed by the company or employer's name and employer's address, telephone number, and CVR number. Next to the heading is the employee's information. First is the name and the address of the employee. Let us proceed to the details of the payroll.
On the upper right corner is the salary period.
Lønperioden fra den 1. januar 2025 indtil 31. januar 2025.
Next is the disposition date, or in Danish, it is read as
Dispositionsdato.
Let's read the details or text of the payslip. It says here,
Fast løn.
Next is the ATP.
Arbejdsmarkedets tillægspension.
The next is the AM income, or the labor market income.
AM-bidrag eller arbejdsmarkedsbidrag.
This refers to your labor market contribution.
A. Skat
Is your primary tax share, which is classified as a or primary tax.
til udbetaling.
Meant your final salary payment.
Grundlag. Is the basis for your salary pay or deductions. SATS means rate or percent of your taxes. Udbetalt is the amount paid out before and after. Trukket ud stands for deductions. Let's read once again the Danish words you have learned in this video. Arbejdsgiver, medarbejder, navn og adresse, postnummer, telefon, løn, Lønperioden. Dispositionsdato. Sats. Udbetalt. Trukket.
Remember to subscribe, like and share our videos.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.